Hello, and welcome to Thrively. Thrively was founded on the core philosophy that every child has a genius and they deserve to thrive. We do this by identifying strengths, supporting well-being, and instilling hope. Our mission is to bring a paradigm shift into education through asset-based learning. With a strengths-based approach, every community is valuable, every person has strengths and potential. Our goal is to humanize learning by fostering strengths-based, joyful, and hopeful classrooms that drive meaningful academic growth. To support this vision, we developed the Strengths Assessment. The Thrively Strengths Assessment is an industry-first, research-based resource designed to help students develop and unlock their positive learning identities. This video will guide you through how to prepare to administer the Strengths Assessment so your students maximize the transformative experience. Why should your students take the Thrively Strengths Assessment? Helping students discover their strengths, interests, and aspirations is a powerful way to build meaningful connections and unlock the potential in every learner. The Strengths Assessment gives you a window into what truly motivates and excites your students, allowing you to support them in a more personalized and impactful way. The Strengths Assessment is more than just an inventory. It's a mindset shift. The Thrively Strengths Assessment encourages a growth mindset by showing students that strengths aren't fixed traits. They're skills and qualities that can grow over time with effort and persistence. When students see themselves through this lens, they're more likely to embrace challenges, bounce back from setbacks, and take charge of their learning journey. The best part? It's easy to get started. There are just 5 simple steps to administer the Thrively Strengths Assessment, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Step 1. Experience what your students experience. We recommend that you take the Strengths Assessment yourself before introducing it to your students. This helps you get familiar with the process, identify any questions or vocabulary that might need clarification, and even gives you the chance to get your top 5 strengths so that you can share your own results with your students to build trust and connection. Step 2. Review your Thrively classroom roster. Log into your Thrively account and check your student roster by clicking My Classes in the top right corner to ensure everything is accurate. Students are sorted by class, by last name or first name. You can click the 3 dots and manage the class or print your class roster. Step 3. Prepare your students to take the Strengths Assessment. Introduce the assessment in a positive and encouraging way. Let them know, even though it's called an assessment, this isn't a test. There are no right or wrong answers. The goal is to help them learn more about themselves and to celebrate their strengths. Remind them to be honest in their responses to get the most accurate and meaningful results about themselves. Step 4. Create a comfortable environment. The first time they log in, they'll be led through selecting their interests and aspirations. As soon as they finish selecting their interests and aspirations, your students will be given the option to take the Strengths Assessment. They'll be able to choose whether they want it in English or in Spanish. If your student selects the incorrect option, no need to worry. While logged into your teacher account, simply click the green chat bubble in the bottom right-hand corner of your page. This will connect you to our amazing 24/7 customer support team. Step 5. After your students complete the assessment, it's time to review and celebrate the results. You'll want to print the class snapshot. To do this, simply go to Class Insights, Class Snapshot. Select the class and the assessment that you wish to view the snapshot for, and click Generate Poster. This What's Strong with Our Classroom poster will give you a snapshot of your class's top strengths, top interests, and top pathways so that you can adapt your lessons around it to increase engagement. Make students' strengths known. Share each student's top strengths with them and find ways to incorporate their unique talents into classroom activities. Make learning visible with posters or bulletin boards. This is a great way to build a strengths-based environment that boosts confidence and engagement. Thank you for your commitment to asset-based learning and strengths-based education. Let's humanize learning together. We look forward to partnering with you to create strengths-based, joyful, and hopeful classrooms so that every child thrives. Please reach out to us at thrively.com or thrive at thrively.com. Our students are waiting on us.